You can't be in Aba without going to the famous shopping center. So we hit the road with the kids to show them where Ezengwa's sister has her shop. As a lot of the fabric is imported from China, it comes without a big surprise that we ended up at the China Lane in Aba. This is just the outside. You can't really see how big this place is unless you go inside. Which is exactly what we did. First and foremost, we had to look for the lane where Nuku Mama, my husband's late mother, used to have her shop. It's worth the while to show your children where their roots are. Here, Ezengwa met some good friends from the past. And it doesn't come without nostalgic sentiments to see the children in front of their grandmother's shop. But we came here mainly to shop for Ankara fabric, so we hit the road again and walked in deeper into the market. Thank God for Ezengwa and his sister to guide us through. I would have definitely got lost here. The different types of fabrics that you can find here is endless. Even the boys admitted they wouldn't find their way. I can only imagine all the beautiful dresses that have been produced with these materials. Our steps were accompanied by some shoutings of Onyeocha, Oibo, Ibatago, or even Onyeocha for those that recognized me. I guess not too many white people enter this place. And after a long walk, we finally got to the section we were looking for. the place where they are selling abada. I was actually looking for some fabric that I could use to sew more of the skirts that I already have. The heat was too much, but maybe I am just not used to it.
The boys are already buying drinks.
The boys bought themselves some drinks while they were waiting for me to make my choice. I could have shopped the entire shop, but budget restrictions apply for everybody. So we took only the most important ones. And then it was time to go back out again. After the long walk, we went to sit down in my sister-in-law's shop just to relax a bit. I'm so happy to be in Abba. And the kids were happy to relax, like the Abba would do. Chilling in the fabric. Next to their cousins. What a day at Abba Shopping Center.